世明係中泰混血兒，自小失去父母，因為入住播道兒童之家同埋被領養，多咗兩個媽媽。
Hello, my name is Simon, and I left Evangel in 1994 when I was 10 years old to Australia.
世明咧就好細個就開始嚟我屋企，因為我媽媽咧都係喺度做照顧嗰個即家長，咁咧就過時過節都會帶阿世明翻我屋企嘅，就一齊住啊，一齊去拜年啦、食嘢啊咁樣樣咯。
Evangel also take me when I was young, and Nanje take me out most weekends, stay over, get to meet the family, and it's great. And since I left to go to Australia, I still come back to see them because they are wonderful people. They like my big sisters and big brother,
Big
so
sister.
yeah.
細佬啊，係啦，呢個就係細佬啦，係啦。我哋都有成家一齊去過婚禮度咯，成10個人，係啊，過去婚禮啊。
2 months, 2 months.
真係啊！去阿媽又係好有愛心，又係嘅，同一時間領養個北韓啦、南韓啦，加埋去香港啦，一齊領養喎。
7 kids, my mum got 7 kids there.
係啦
in Australia.
真係好犀利，佢阿媽都。原來佢都係做社工嘅，即係喺我邊都，即係又係好好心地一個人。
世明能夠喺愛中成長，長大後亦都冇忘記呢個家，每隔一段時間就回院敘舊。佢喺澳洲遇到終身伴侶，求婚嘅地點更加係喺望住播道兒童之家嘅大樹之下，可知道呢個家對佢生命中係佔有好重要嘅位置。今日世明已經開枝散葉，係3個小孩嘅爸爸。佢喜歡帶孩子回院，認識佢兒時嘅生活，講述爸爸媽媽嘅趣事。念舊嘅世明尋找家嘅足跡，佢領受冇血緣嘅親情，能夠擁抱自己嘅過去，活出更美好嘅明天。
燃亮生命，請捐款支持播道兒童之家。